Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at replacing a starter on your Honda Accord. This one's a 2007. Let's check it out. Okay guys, I made a video on this before. This is going to be the quick and simpler one. So this is, take this one instead of the other one. We got an intake manifold we got to remove, two 10mm bolts, some hoses. I disconnected them there. Go ahead and remove your intake pipe here. And this guy's got a 10mm bolt, take him off. Then down here, let's see if we can light it up a little bit. There's going to be a connector. All you have to do is push the back side of this thing and slide this whole connector piece off. You can leave it connected. And then there was a coolant hose right here. And you might want to remove. And then there's going to be a bracket. You can see my wrench on it right there. That's kind of, that bracket's a 12mm. We're going to take that off, and then we should be able to slide our intake manifold off, and the starter will be exposed. Okay guys, and also just remember to disconnect this connector right here as well. It goes right in there. Just pull that guy out, and then there's going to be one more little wire. This guy right here is clipped in to this piece right here, so just go ahead and kind of pop that guy out. And then lastly, here's our starter. There's also a connector right back at my finger. That's a pull squeeze. Get that guy out. Then you've got a 14 on this side, a 17 right there, and a 12 on your main wire going in. And then squeeze, pull that guy out, and then the starter will just come right on up and out. So that's pretty much it. The installation is the reverse of the removal.